Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear the friends. Today's video is question number 2.19 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. Question is, the electron energy in hydrogen atom is given by En is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 by n square joule. Now calculate the energy required to remove an electron completely from the n is equal to 2 orbit. Now what is the longest wavelength of light in centimeter that can be used to cause this transition? Now the scene is the electron in n is equal to 2 should be removed. It means final destination should be n is equal to infinity. So from n is equal to 2 orbit, second orbit to infinity, electron has to be removed, and the energy required for this transition we need to calculate. The thing which is given is En, means energy related to particular orbit is minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 by n square and joule. Now using this thing, as we know, delta E means the energy required is equal to E infinity minus E2, because we need the infinity position and the orbit number 2. So the energy in between these two levels is the delta E, what we are going to calculate the energy required. Now delta E value is always 0. Minus E2 we will take from the given value. It is minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 upon, now in place of n we will write 2 square and it is overall joule. So after doing all the calculation we will get it is 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 upon 2 2s are 4 and joule. And the final answer after calculation, it should be 5.45 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. This is the energy required for the transition of electron from second orbit to the infinity. So this is the first part of the question. Now come up to the longest wavelength of light which is required. So for this, as we know, delta E is equal to h mu. This relation we knew. One more relation we knew, hc by lambda. From this we came to the concept that lambda is equal to hc by del E. We can write like that. Now h is a Planck's constant, c is a speed of light, and delta E value we find out just now. So putting all the values we can find the longest wavelength, that is lambda wavelength is equal to h is Planck's constant, its value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Now multiplied by c, speed of light, value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which in turn divided by delta E. Delta E value is 5.45 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Now start doing calculation. First we will cancel joule to joule. So, second and per second is cancelled. Now doing the calculation, we will get the value 3.647 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. This is the value of wavelength in meter, but the question says find the wavelength in centimeter. So as we know, 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 2 centimeter. So we can write it like this, 3.647 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 to the power 2 centimeter. In place of meter, we will write 10 to the power 2 centimeter. Now, minus 7 plus 2, it gives minus 5. Minus 7 plus 2, it gives 5 and it will be minus. So we can write Now wavelength lambda is equal to 3.647 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter, and this is the wavelength of the transition. So friends, question is very easy, the calculation is still very easy, but if you have doubt, you have a box given here, you can write your doubts. I will be here to solve your doubts. Till then, keep on studying and keep on asking the question. Till then, thank you, bye.